Hindi lang isang pananaw. There is diversity and plurality. At sabi ko nga noon, kapag ka gusto mong maging artista, kailangan mo ng talent scout. Pero with social media, that has been democratized. Basta magaling kang sumayaw, at marunong kang mag-TikTok, at marunong kang mag-upload, you can become an artista, no? Si Michael, sikat na artista yan. Pero yung sinabi sana, nagpakilala din kay Michael Riquez. So, but exclusion, when we exclude others, that results to forgetting the bigger community. And then when we say, tayo lang, then we lose sensitivity for others, especially those whom we marginalize. Yung marginalize, okay sa gilid. Maaaring mangyari yan sa Prex. Kami lang ang nag-Prex. But that is not the spirit of Prex. The spirit of Prex, as has been mentioned, and Father Jeff mentioned, is evangelization. To be able to embrace everyone. And that is the command of the Lord. Go! Go to the ends, to the peripheries. Go, and Bishop Bart reiterated that. Go there. Teach them what I have commanded you. But when we become exclusive, hindi na to synodality, no? When we become exclusive, we build fences and not bridges. Sabi pa sa Bisaya, saka sa Bicol, hindi na synodality, kundi kinodality. Kinodal sa Bicol, you put fences. No? At when we do so, parang nagiging second-class citizens ang ating kapwa. Yung nag-Prex, mas mabait at mas magaling. Yung hindi nag-Prex, hindi pa yung mabait, di ba? Kami mas organized kami, mas marunong kami. And then we forget the Holy Spirit. It is the Holy Spirit who gives gifts to everyone. For we are one body, as St. Paul reminds us. And these conventions theme says it correctly. We are all pilgrims. Alam niyo, may panahon na parang ang pagtingin natin sa ating sarili, parang perfect yung simbahan, di ba? Perfect. Uy, simbahan yan, yung mga babae lang yan. Simbahan yan, yung mga banal lang yan. Oh, hindi kayo dito sa amin. And sometimes yun ang tingin natin, uy, di ka kasal. Di ka kasama sa amin. Di kasal ang parents mo. O hindi pa kayo catechized. Hindi nyo pa alam ang catechesis. Oh, hindi. Angkop yung kasuotan nyo. Hindi kayo nag-aral sa Catholic Church. Hindi kayo member ng parish. Iba naman ang pag-iisip nyo. Mukhang very secular kayo. Wala kayong pera. Oh, retired na kayo. Hindi naman kayo member ng anumang religious organization. Bagong set na lang kayo dito. Oh, ay, doon na kayo sa LGBT. Hindi kayo pwede rito. Ay, anong kabit yan? Prostitute yan. Di ka sa hiwalay. We exclude others. We become judgmental. But this invitation to become a synodal church, a church that is for all, a church that is compassionate, a church that is welcoming. Alam niyo kung napaka-stricto nga, baka pati tayo na-exclude, di ba? Kaya nga tayo natutuwa sa Prex, paulit-ulit, tinanggap ako sa Prex kahit hindi ako karapat-dapat. And we are thankful to God for that. And we